Hello, my name is Brian Law. Today I'll be giving a quick crash course on dark matter. Now, dark matter is something that is a gigantic mystery to the scientific community. And we're going to be going over a few reasons why today. But first, there are a few things we know about dark matter. 68% of the universe is dark energy, which is closely correlated with dark matter. And then 27% of the universe is dark matter. Now, these seem giant, but let's look at our own planet Earth. Everything observed on Earth is less than 5% of what makes up the universe. And because of this, there's a real problem. There's a lot of matter out there that we don't really know about. Dark matter is not antimatter. It also does not react with anything on the electromagnetic spectrum, meaning that it doesn't absorb, reflect, or emit light. And because it does none of those things, it is very difficult to detect. It is very hard to spot. But before we get into some theories for dark matter, we're going to talk about some of those people that contributed to its discovery. There's Gianfranco Bernstein, Dan Hooper, and Lord Kelvin. And Lord Kelvin was actually estimating the number of dark bodies in our universe, our Milky Way, and counting the number of how many there were when he led to the contribution of the discovery of dark matter. But the true discovery that we hold dear is the Bullet Cluster, which is 3 billion light years away from Earth, a cluster of stars in which scientists were studying. And in this Bullet Cluster, they looked at it and they realized something. They realized that the gravitational field shows larger concentrations of mass than what looked like was actually there. And because of this, the idea of dark matter came into tuition. Now, there are a few instruments that actually detect or try to detect dark matter. First of which is the alpha magnetic spectrometer, as well as the xenon detector, which is in South Dakota. The xenon detector is actually one of the most powerful detecting devices on the entire planet. A fully xenon detector, which is submerged deep underground, has yet to discover any dark matter, which shows how difficult it is to actually find and see and spot this dark matter. Furthermore, there are quite a few theories about dark matter. The first of which is the macho theory, the massive compact halo object. And the macho theory comes from massive stars which could contain large amounts of dark matter. And in these massive stars, there could be quite a bit. There's no denying that. But what there is also no denying is that these come from supernova, and therefore they're not very common. And because they're not very common, and since 27% of the universe is dark matter, it makes it very unlikely that these are the major contributor of dark matter in the universe. Furthermore, there are WIMPs, which are weakly interacting massive particles. These weakly interacting massive particles are electrically neutral, weakly interacting neutrino, or they're also extremely light axion. And out of all of this, it's still quite a gigantic mystery. And this mystery just shows that it's a big, hot topic in astronomy. And since it's such a hot topic, what's certain is there's going to be discovery quite soon. Thank you.